Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also visit my website mrhack.io. So here is this app which is called TV Remote Universal Control. So to install it, just visit the App Store, just search for this app, and then you will be able to use Touch ID to install it. And there you have it. And then the size is 49 megabytes. And then you will be able to install that. So the idea is that you can use your iPhone as a remote, and and then you can use it for all the smart TVs like Samsung, TCL, Roku, LG, Sony, and then it's just like a remote for your TV. And then you can have quick access to channels like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, easy and fast keyboard, watch videos on TV and stuff like that. So let's just open it up. And then the idea that you just need to make sure that your smart TV and this phone is on the same Wi-Fi network. So if they're on the same Wi-Fi network, you will be able to find it. If not, you just need to reboot your phone. And then basically this is how it looks like. Of course, there are some ads in the free version. If you want to remove ads, you will need to upgrade here. So if you want to type something, okay, you need to upgrade as well. If you want to use voice, you need to upgrade, but in the free version you can just use these controls. So you can go forward, go back, and yeah, it's sound. Then you have apps in the bottom, so it can be Netflix or YouTube or Disney Plus. You can cast from here. You can cast photo, video, IPTV or YouTube, and then there are settings. You can contact support from here, and yeah, you can always cast by tapping on the icon in the top right. So yeah, or maybe that's the way to connect TV. You can also turn off your TV here, pressing the red icon, or you can go to home from here. So that's how the app looks like, and you can also switch if you don't like this way. You can just swap here on this menu. So that's how it works. So that's the idea. So if you're using all the smart TVs like LG, Sony, Roku, and many others, you can just use this app. For example, if you lost your remote or you just don't want to use the remote, you just want to control everything from your phone. There are many other use cases where you require an app like that. So I think that's a pretty cool idea. So yeah, that's how it works. Just a quick preview. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you around.